Welcome. I'm here for the debut of one of the most important products BMW makes, the new X5, at the largest plant the automaker has in the entire world. Now, you would think that might be in Germany, but it's not. It's actually right here in a place called Spartanburg, South Carolina. Now, we already have a video of the new X5 on the channel. So today I want to take you through a very specific model, the new iX5 fully electric model.
But first, I do have to mention the dramatic styling with this vertical light-up grille and these very cool X-pattern headlights. Getting into the cabin is made easy thanks to the optional power doors. And inside, you have to love the use of slate, yes, a rock, on the center console, plus the available glass elements on the center console and the door controls. And let's not forget about the available passenger video screen. That's huge.
Now, it wouldn't be a BMW if we didn't talk about performance. So this electric vehicle has a massive 144 kilowatt hour battery pack. 141 of those are usable.
The primary drive axle is the rear, of course. That motor makes 325 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. Then the front axle adds an additional 245 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque for a total of 570 horsepower and 593 foot-pounds of torque. As for range, it will deliver an estimated 700 kilometers or 435 miles. That's a long way. The iX5 makes use of BMW's 6th gen battery tech with 800 volt capability, allowing for charging at 400 volt DC stations. Thanks to this, it can charge from 10 to 80% in just 22 minutes, or adding 270 kilometers or 168 miles in just 10 minutes. That's impressive.
BMW has a long history of building SUVs in America. They've actually been building cars here for 33 years. Right now, we're just in the factory. They're making 1,500 cars a day. They've built over 7 million cars at this facility, and half of those have been exported to other markets. In total, 120 different countries this car is being exported to, yes, even Germany. So the new X5 will arrive this fall at dealers. The iX5 will arrive about 6 months after that. Now, we don't have iX5 pricing in Canada, but in the US, it's going to come in at just under 80 grand.